welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. Today's video is super exciting because we are going back to the track. That is right, guys, we are going back to the track, but we're taking the Grom. Just kidding, just kidding. The Camaro is actually right out here. Now before we get to that, again guys, just got to give you guys my friendly update reminder. Giveaway Grom, link in the description below. Every $20 spent at my new merchandise website store, get yourself a hat or a t-shirt like this white one I'm wearing. Will get you, every $20 will get you one entry through October 31st. Winner will be announced November 1st. So make sure you guys check that out. Link in the description below. Grab yourself some shirts, caps, and support the channel. And with that support, one of you guys will be lucky enough to get this Grom. But we're not taking the Grom to the track. That would just be hilarious. This thing probably would do a quarter mile in maybe 30 seconds, if that. So we'll leave the quarter mile drag strip type testing to the draggy. But we are going to be taking the Camaro. Now, if you guys are new to the channel, this is a 2019 Camaro SS, and it has pretty much most of the things that you can do. It has a cam, heads, headers, E85, and nitrous to boot with the full drag pack and a bunch of visual mods. Now, the car has gone a best of a 994 at 139 miles an hour, guys. And that was with the passenger seat removed, the rear top of the rear seat, and of course the rear exhaust muffler removed and just turned down behind the rear axles. So it had a tiny bit of weight reduction when we ran that on a 150 shot of nitrous. Yes, we did use nitrous for that run and we're able to get that 9, but having the rear muffler deleted and no rear back seat to divide the trunk and the interior along with the passenger seat removed gave me, one, the airbag light because the seat was removed, and two, a very loud, obnoxious sounding car. Now it was sounding great and everything, but just wasn't, it was a little too loud for my taste. And I've got Sebastian, my young 9-month-old, who basically I had to work around his schedule to turn the car on, to leave and do anything that I was trying to do. So I decided to put back my stock rear muffler. This is the bone stock dual mode NPP exhaust, and you guys can see there's got the valve. But of course, when we do that, we're adding back the weight. So with the current state, it's in full weight and the 150 shot, I don't believe we would be able to get back to a 9.9 pass or even a 10.0 pass. I think adding that weight back probably would get us a 10.3, 10.2, around that. But if you saw my last video, we did go out and data log and test the 175 and 200 shot, and the car seemed to really love the 175 shot. So today we're going back to the track and we're going to do a 175 shot drag strip pass and see where we end up with the full weight and if we are close to what the car was running with the weight reduction and the 150 shot. I don't know if 25 horsepower is going to be comparable, but we're going to find out. And on top of that, guys, this is going to give us a good baseline because on Monday we are going back to Excessive Racing Engines to install a new cam on the Camaro, guys. The current cam in here is a stage 2 Pat G NA cam, and we're going to be throwing in a Prey Performance stage 3 cam. So very excited. I'm looking forward to all that, and I'll definitely be showing you guys those videos next week. So if you haven't subscribed, make sure to hit the thumbs up button, hit the subscribe button, so that you guys can get up to date on all my videos, because we have a lot of stuff coming for this car, guys. So with that being said, we're gonna go ahead and load the car up, pack up, and head out to the track. Well guys, there's your warm start. I did drive the car a little bit. I had to run the gas down. Sorry for the wind noise, but I had to run the gas down just a little bit. And I believe this is with the valves closed. They're closed. So the reason I have them closed is because we've got Sebastian back here. Say hi, Sebastian. Yeah, so we've got the baby in the back. I'm gonna be taking the wife and dropping them off on the way to the track. And so it's the first time he's gonna be riding, so hopefully he enjoys the ride. I'm so glad I had the stock mufflers on because it'll be nice and quiet for him. But yeah, we're on our way to the track, so I'll catch you guys when we get there. All right guys, we are at the track. Camaro is ready to go. And like always right now during these times, we've got nice empty lanes. Trent in that red ZL1 you see over there, he's actually, if you guys are OGs and saw my early videos with the Camaro, he actually had a 1LE and I raced it when he was cam and heads, I believe, with just full bolt-on Camaro, and it was a good race. And now he's got that ZL1, so hopefully maybe we'll get to race him tonight. But the car is good to go. We are on the 175 shot. We've got 6 degrees pulled from the timing box, and it is hot out here guys, because check this out. That bottle just sitting here in the trunk, in the heat of the trunk, already up almost to the red. So we're gonna open up the bottle. We'll turn on the heater bracket, which probably won't need it, but luckily it's automatic, so we're good to go there. And that's it. So we'll go ahead and get everything set up, but let's go ahead and go line up and see what we do. Let's do this guys. Full weight 175 shot. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. All right, well guys, let's put in manual for our burnout. And remember, I gotta put it back in drive. IT's 122. Whew, it is hot. Alright, got a good burnout. Cleaned off everything. We're gonna arm the nitrous, purge it. All right, so we are good to go. All right. That launch was hard. So we've got the time slip here, and let's go ahead and show you guys that time slip. There it is. I am car 711, and our 60 foot was way slower, only a 165, and everything else was pretty slow. So a 1025 at 136.6. Man, I guess going full weight is definitely hurting us here. But that launch definitely felt like the car spun a little bit. I'm gonna look over the logs and see how everything was, but it's really, really hot out here. Probably gonna let the car cool down for a bit, and then we'll try another pass. Run number 2. We'll see how this goes. Got a really good burnout. Nitrous work. Looks like we're running low on the nitrous bottle. So let's go ahead and see what this does. Put it back in drive. All right. Whoa. That felt really good. As you guys saw, I don't know if the angle got the nitrous purge, but it looks like our bottle was kind of not spraying enough nitrous. So that second run, I was all over the place, and here it is. 1.71 60 foot, a 1036 at 135.7, so 136. Yeah, I'm gonna look over the logs, but we need to get that 60 foot back to like the 1.5s where we were at before. We'll check over the logs. I'm gonna let the car cool down. There's not many people out here, so we'll let the car cool down. The nitrous was kind of running low, and actually we can kind of check right now. Running low. I was trying to purge it and it wasn't coming out as hard as it should have. Yeah, we are out of nitrous. That is definitely not gonna do it. All right, guys, so it's been about a half hour, almost 45 minutes, but as you guys saw in the last clip, my bottle was pretty much empty. So luckily the track had nitrous, so I just went ahead and filled up the whole bottle. I mean, the track is empty, racing wise, there's a bunch of cars, but the lanes are open, so we filled up the bottle. I've got the bottle heater on it now, so we're gonna let it warm up, and once it warms up, we're gonna go right back to it and go do a 175 shot. This time we know we got a brand new full bottle, so we'll see how it does. We'll do our burnout. Well, I guess we're racing a Corvette. All right. All right, got a good burnout. Turn the nitrous on. Now that was a good purge. All right, let's see what it'll do with the nitrous armed. We're racing a convertible Corvette with a full drag pack. We're back in drive. There we go, almost forgot. Looks like that was definitely hitting hard. We're gonna have to either dial back the nitrous so that the car will shift, or try to get this car to shift a little slower, but that was that felt good. There we go. 10.2 at 137.5 and a 160 foot, so it spun hard off the line. Just got to do a stronger burnout, I guess. It's just been spinning off the line. The one thing I might do is increase the ramping so that we don't have that issue. But other than that, car did get hung up in gear at the very end of the track, so we're gonna dial back the nitrous hit to 6,700 instead of 6,800 and see how that does. So I think we're good. Turn the nitrous on, purge it. All right. Well, that felt a lot smoother with the shifts, and we'll just have to see what the time was on that one, but it felt a lot smoother on the shifts for sure. Holy shit, guys. Hell yeah. 10:01 at 138.5 miles an hour. The little settings changes I made to the car really helped it out. As you guys can see, it was a 154 60 foot. We're back in the 1.5s. A 647, which is the fastest I've gone to the 8th at 112. And then our quarter mile 10:04 at 138. We'll probably do one more pass, but I'm gonna let the car kind of chill and cool off a little bit with the bottle, and then we'll do one more pass and see if we can get that 9 full weight, guys. That'd be crazy. Alright guys, that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed what you saw. There was a big hang up at the track, so we didn't really get to see many cars running, but we accomplished our main goal of today, which was to see if we could get the 175 shot on a full weight car with the seats and the rear muffler running the same time and trap speed that it did with the 150 shot and the weight reduction, and we accomplished that. The car did 2 passes, 10:01 and a 10:00 at 138 miles an hour. So this thing is awesome. I'm super happy with it. Now we're gonna take this car to Excessive Racing Engines to get the cam swap done and put Praise Stage 3 cam in here and see just how well that cam does and what kind of improvements we see from that. It should be a much better cam suited for the Ported Heads and the Ported MSD to make sure we get extra flow. So we're gonna definitely be able to see more of that. So the top end should be a lot better, and we should possibly see higher mile per hour and even better time. So it ran 10:0 already. We're gonna do the cam swap. We'll come back after the cam swap and everything's out in and run the car again and see what the difference is. But anyways guys, thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this upload, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.